Dark, isn't it? This is what our bathroom looks like when we get up in the middle of the night to go use the bathroom. And you know, if you're a man, you stand up and you try and hit the toilet, but sometimes you don't. Well, there's a solution to that. It's called light. But there's no light in here. It's dark as a coal mine until you get close to the toilet. And look at this. It just lights up like crazy. Isn't that nice? You know why? It's one of these. Isn't that wonderful? Stays on for 15 seconds of no activity and then turns right off again. And you can charge it with a USB-C cable and you're good to go. So this is your solution. Makes life much easier. You can find your way back out again, not trip over anything. We use the same approach in our closet. Whoa, the light just went out. See how dark that is? That's the one on the toilet going out. But watch this. Walk into this closet that's dark as a coal mine. And light, instant light. Look at this. You can actually see what's going on just enough to find what you need by putting one of these right on top of the door frame. It's really simple to install. Magnetic. Take it off when you're done. Charge it up, put it back. You're welcome.